There it is.
Pretty, but it ain't sitting low enough.
That's a lot of cans of beer. Dirty. Stinks in here. So they didn't close the door right. Got some water.
Hey, we got squirrels.
Holy sh!
And the battery's missing. Oh, I see.
Oh, look at this.
You got a squirrel problem, bro. It's a little dry in there though, so you just like. Come on. Make sure you got the plus and the minus on the right side. You don't want to put it in the wrong hole. Okay. Fits like a glove.
Alright.
An OJ glove, that is. Woo. Well, we got some nuts, some acorns. I wouldn't turn this on if you don't clear the nuts, though. The nuts always get in the way. Bro, put the other hoodie on, the one that's waterproof. Yeah, it's staying there now. Just don't touch it.
We have brushes in the woods.
Brush.
Look at this.
Yeah, but alright, well.
Yeah, get a brush, man. Amateur over here.
Squirrel nuts, no that shit. Get it right. Yeah, I wouldn't go too deep. Nice! Put the negative in on the negative side. You tighten it up with a elusive 10mm. And then you put the positive on the positive side. Be careful. Be careful! Alright, I'll get the... Oh, nice. Come on, man. PG. Tighten that MOFO. Yeah, the scroll's right underneath this hub.
What?
It's right here. Let's go! Good luck, man. Good luck. What happened?
That connection might be wrong a little bit.
Are you serious?
Is there a fuse?
No, everything looks good.
Why am I not getting power?
These positive,
That's
positive?
negative. That's positive.
Wires might be cut, man.
Are the lights on?
Nope.
So we connected the battery. It says no power. Hopefully that just bad battery.
It's the same engine, what you talking about? Or disconnected something.
See that? That's loose. You have to undo this, clean it up.
Fixed it.
I fixed it, let's go. I fixed it. Here,
I was trying to do my own research.
watch it
my own
turn
way.
on. You were hiding in the car, staying warm and stuff.
Hey, we're gonna fuck that. We're gonna cut that out of the video, all right? We were here the whole time.
Watch the car turn on now.
Alright, I'm watching.
That's how real men do it.
You left your blinker on, buddy. Nice, nice, nice. You left the other blinker on. Hey, the other blinker's on. Never mind. Never mind. Is that good? Yeah, but that's normal for cars that are just turned on. Whenever you turn on the car for the first time until it heats up, that's what happens. Bro, stop fixing shit. Let's get out of here. Ooh, it has Superman shit in it.
You know the guy worked in a restaurant.
Yeah, you know he was a great accountant too. Nice. It has a seatbelt.
Yes. At least I know how to fix. That's fine. Free cologne.
Guess what it is, guys.
Guess.
Guess what it is. Just guess. Whoever guesses it right is gonna get a free cologne. That's the best you're gonna do, bro. Leave it. That's good.
Probably shouldn't put my license plate on YouTube.
we'll blur it out. That is smoke. And it smells chestnutty.